Hi everyone, this is Dave Malby, and I'm going to show you how to easily assemble and adjust your CamStand 9 Pro. First, you insert the stainless steel vertical post into the base post receiver. Then, with a 7/16 inch wrench, you tighten the post to the base. You now install the camera assembly onto the vertical post. Now attach your camera onto the camera assembly. To adjust the angle of your camera, just loosen the camera mount knob and tighten after you have made your adjustments. Height and reach adjustments are made by loosening the knobs on the camera assembly, then tightening them after you have made your adjustments. Now you can use your CamStand 9 Pro for desktop photography. This is Dave Malby, and you have a great day.